everyone. Today we're diving into a pink salt trick recipe for weight loss. A popular trend using Himalayan pink salt, but is it legit or just hype? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. So what's the deal with Himalayan pink salt? Like regular table salt, it's harvested from ancient seabeds and contains about 84 trace minerals including iron, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These minerals are said to offer benefits like boosting energy, reducing muscle cramps, helping hormonal balance, strengthening bones, and improving hydration. The pink salt trick actually involves adding a small pinch of this salt to water or meals daily. Some people claim it boosts metabolism and helps the body detox, which could support weight loss efforts. Plus, it's a natural way to replace electrolytes, especially if you exercise a lot or sweat a lot. However, it's important to note there's no strong scientific proof that Himalayan pink salt directly causes weight loss. It's best seen as a mineral supplement that overall supports health. Drinking enough water, eating balanced meals, and staying active are still the main factors for losing weight. In summary, the pink salt trick can be a healthy condition to your diet, but isn't a magic bullet for weight loss. If you're curious, try it safely and see how your body responds. For more info, I checked out a sophierecipes.com, great source on this topic. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.